iPedal is an advanced one-pedal driving feature designed for EVs, utilizing regenerative braking technology. This system allows drivers to control the vehicle's speed and bring it to a complete stop smoothly, all while using only the accelerator pedal for enhanced convenience and efficiency. How to activate and deactivate the iPedal. To activate iPedal, pull the left paddle shifter while in level 3 of regenerative braking, and iPedal will be activated. While iPedal is active, pull the right paddle shifter once, or shift to R, reverse. Shift to D, drive mode, and the iPedal will be deactivated. Then the regenerative braking will return to the 3-level setting. Cautions. Stopping may not be possible depending on road and vehicle conditions. In such cases, use the brake pedal to control your speed. If you need to brake firmly or quickly, use the brake pedal instead of the iPedal. Avoid using the iPedal on slippery roads.
I hope this information is helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions.